MSUFCU debit and credit cards feature tap-to-pay contactless technology, making paying for groceries, gas, and everything in between fast, easy, and secure. Tap-to-pay uses a technology called NFC, and each card has a contactless NFC chip and radio frequency antenna. When you tap to pay with a contactless card, you wave it an inch or so above the terminal, and your card uses radio frequencies and a one-time code to complete the transaction. There's no need to swipe, sign, or chip. Plus, contactless transactions only take a few seconds to complete. The one-time code created for each payment doesn't expose your actual account details. By sending a unique code for each purchase, you won't have to worry about your account information being exposed. To verify that your Visa card is set up for Tap to Pay, look for the Tap to Pay icon. This is the same icon you'll look for to identify if the card reader you're paying at supports Tap to Pay. When you are prompted, simply hold your card an inch or so above the contactless symbol or tap your card against the reader. Most terminals will indicate confirmation with a symbol such as a check mark. This lets you know that your purchase was a success. Using Tap to Pay with MSUFCU is the fast, easy, and secure way to pay. Simplify your checkout experience today. MSUFCU, building dreams together.